Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ruling out the usual suspects: your browser zoom and system scaling. Set browser zoom to 100% and open YouTube in a fresh tab. Then, check your OS display scaling and resolution. Mismatched scaling can make video appear zoomed out or cropped. Once done, disable any extensions that inject CSS or change page layout, because they often override YouTube's player size. This gets you straight into actionable fixes instead of chasing peripheral settings. Now focus on the YouTube player itself and page styles. You toggle theater mode and full screen to see whether the issue is player-specific. Use Ctrl+0 to reset page zoom quickly. If the player still looks wrong, open DevTools and inspect the video element for transform, scale, or overflow rules that could shrink the frame. Once you find offending CSS, often from user style sheets or extension-injected rules, disable or remove them to restore the native player sizing and aspect ratio. Finish by eliminating remaining system-level causes. Clear cache and cookies, or test YouTube in an incognito window to rule out profile state issues. Make sure your browser and GPU drivers are up to date, and if video scaling still misbehaves, try toggling hardware acceleration off because driver bugs can affect rendering. If the problem persists, reproduce it in another browser and record exact steps. This helps pinpoint whether it's a browser, extension, or YouTube side issue, and prepares you for further troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.